Hey there, handy helpers. It's me, Andy, and welcome to my workshop where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. Hey, I have a new tool I want to show you. This is called a telescope. A telescope is a tool that helps us see faraway stars and planets in outer space. But before we start, let's warm up our stargazing muscles first. Let's open and close our eyes like we're opening a door. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Now, let's stretch our arms like we're trying to hug the moon. Stretch. And now, let's spin like spinning planets. Spin, spin, spin. Great job, handy helpers. Okay, we're all warmed up. Let's use this telescope. We just have to point the telescope to the sky and look through here. Something doesn't seem right. Everything looks blurry. I can't see the stars clearly at all. Uh-oh, handy helpers. This telescope is broken.
Hi, Andy. Is our telescope ready for our stargazing tonight?
Oh, hi there, Lily. We just have a little issue with the telescope. But don't worry, I just have to find the right tools and we'll be stargazing in no time.
Great! Oh, I can't wait to see the stars and the moon. Hey, handy helpers. There are so many stars in the sky twinkling up high. Stars are little lights that twinkle in the sky. Hey, can you draw a star with me with our pencil? They have 5 points. Let's count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome! The sun is a big star that shines in the day, and the moon is a big ball in the sky. There are other big balls in the sky called planets, too. Hey, handy helpers, can you name something in the sky? Stars? Moon? Awesome!
Wow, Lily. So, stars twinkle, sun shines, and the moon glows. Thanks, Lily. Oh, and I have good news. I have the tools we need to fix this telescope. Ready, Lily?
Ready!
Ready, handy helpers? Time to gear up and fix it up. Ready. Okay, first we have to check this part right here. This is called the lens. It's the part that points up into the sky. Let's use my screwdriver to turn the screws and open up the lens cover. Turn, turn, turn.
Great job! Now, this is loose, but the lens is still stuck. So let's use our hammer to tap, tap, tap it loose. Tap, tap, tap. Awesome! Oh, looks like the lens is dirty. So let's use our towel to wipe it clean.
Nice one, Lily. Now we have to tighten the lens and make sure it's nice and snug. Let's use our screwdriver to turn the screws to make it nice and snug. Turn, turn, turn.
It's all fixed. Now let's see if it works.
Whoa! It worked! Lily, look! I can see the stars clear and bright. Here, Lily, take a look.
Oh, wow! It's beautiful! I see the moon, and I see some planets. Oh, I see one planet that has a ring around it. That one's called Saturn. Hey, handy helpers, Do you see those stars? Oh, the stars are so beautiful through the telescope. But imagine if we could actually go into outer space.
You mean like rocket up into outer space and float around? I think we can do that. Handy helpers, let's close our eyes and follow me. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, shiny star, in the sky you're oh so far. Planets spin around the sun, outer space is so much fun. Twinkle, twinkle, shiny star, in the sky you're oh so far. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkling star, hammer taps from near and far. Tap, tap, tap to fix the lens. Now we see our starry friends. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkling star, hammer taps from near and far. Twinkle, twinkle, glowing star, wrench will twist to where you are. Fix the telescope, oh my, let's go stargaze in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, glowing star, wrench will twist to where you are.
Wow, Andy, the stars look amazing through our fixed telescope. Great job fixing it.
You bet, Lily. We learned all about the planets, stars, and the moon. And we used some of our favorite tools to fix the telescope. Hey, handy helpers, what's your favorite thing about outer space? Stars? Planets? Awesome!
Thanks for helping us fix it and stargaze, handy helpers. Let's give a big star-tastic high five.
And remember, at Andy's Workshop, we fix it, build it, and learn it together. See you next time.